Hi, and welcome to this Cookiedad guide. In this video, we'll show you how to use two of the plugin's most powerful tools, the scanner and the cookie manager. Knowing which cookies are active on your site is the essential first step toward GDPR compliance and other regulations. Let's dive in and see how to do it quickly and easily. Everything starts in the scanner section. First, log into the Cookiedad dashboard and click the Scanner tab in the top menu. Here you'll find various options. For your initial setup, we recommend using the full scan. This option analyzes the entire site, beginning from the home page and following every internal link. It's the most accurate method. Once you click Start Scan, our cloud service will begin running in the background. You don't need to stay on this page. You can continue working on your site, and you'll receive a notification as soon as the scan is complete. At the end of the analysis, a notification will appear in the Notification Center on your dashboard. This confirms that the results are ready. Often, the notification will also alert you if any new cookies requiring your attention have been detected. Now, let's move over to the Cookie Manager. This is your control center for all detected cookies. The scan has populated this table with everything it found. Thanks to its database, our cloud system has already autofilled most of the information, such as the category, description, and duration. Sometimes you may come across cookies that require your intervention. In that case, simply click Edit. From here, you can assign the correct category, write a clear and understandable description for your users, and specify the duration of the cookie. Completing this information is essential for a transparent and compliant cookie policy. Once you're finished, click Save. The cookie is now correctly configured. If a cookie isn't relevant, you can click Ignore to move it to a blacklist and exclude it from the policy. If you notice a cookie is missing, you can add it manually using the Add button and then save after filling in all the required fields. And that's it. To recap, start a scan, check the notifications, and complete the information in the Cookie Manager. We recommend running a new scan periodically to keep your cookie list always up to date. Thanks for following this guide. You're now ready to manage your site's cookies like a true professional.